Decomposition using multivalued dependencies, part of database management system course. Decomposition is a process of breaking down a larger table into smaller, more specialized tables in a database design. One way to decompose a table is by using multivalued dependencies, which specify the relationships between attributes in a table that can have multi-values. Multi-valued dependencies occur when an attribute in a table is dependent on two or more other attributes, and each combination of values for those attributes determine a set of possible values for the dependent attribute. For example, consider a table that stores information about employees in a company. The table might have the following attributes: employee ID, employee name, and employee skills. If an employee can have multiple skills, then there is a multi-valued dependency between employee ID and employee skills. To decompose this table using multi-valued dependencies, we would create a separate table for employee skills with a foreign key that references the employee ID in the original table. This new table would contain multiple rows for each employee with one row for each of their skills. Decomposing a table in this way can help to reduce redundancy and improve the efficiency of the database. It can also make it easier to update and maintain the data, as changes to an attribute only need to be made in one place rather than in multiple tables. Thank you for watching.